Hey everyone, if you're in Nepal and need to send money to Dubai, you're in the right place. Whether it's for family support, business, or any other reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This guide will help you do it safely, quickly, and with minimal hassle. Let's dive in. First, understand your options. The most common ways to send money from Nepal to Dubai include using international money transfer services like Western Union, MoneyGram, or digital apps like Wise and Remitly. Banks in Nepal, such as Nabil Bank or Nepal Rastra Bank affiliated services, also offer transfers, but they might take longer and have higher fees. Choose based on speed, cost, and convenience. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need a valid ID, like a citizenship card or passport, and the recipient's details in Dubai, including their bank account information, IBAN, or a mobile number if using an app. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid delays. Step 2. Compare exchange rates and fees. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use online tools or apps to check the current rate for Nepalese rupees to UAE dirhams. Look out for hidden fees. Services like Wise often have lower costs than traditional banks. Aim to transfer during favorable market times for the best value. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. If you're using an app, download it, sign up, verify your identity, enter the amount, and confirm the details. For in-person services, visit a Western Union agent in Nepal, fill out the form, pay the fees, and get a receipt. The money usually arrives in Dubai within minutes to a few hours. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use reputable services to avoid scams. Never share sensitive info via unsecured channels. Check for any restrictions or limits on transfers, as Nepal has regulations on foreign remittances. Also, consider the tax implications. Sometimes, transfers might be taxable. There you have it. Sending money from Nepal to Dubai doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these steps, and you'll be all set. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.